what we like to call a half-assed project.
It was three-quarter-assed.
Yeah.
It's a three-quarter-assed project, but it's just not finished. So I don't think it's fair to call it a half-assed project. Our boat has the original cabin sole from 1965. Well, most of the original cabin sole. And it looks like it. It's beat up, it's got paint marks on it, it's got pieces missing. It's due for some work. It's been due for some work for a long time. Up near the head, the plywood underneath the mahogany strips rotted out from like leaking chain plates and leaking heads. So that's been replaced already a few years ago. I just took two pieces of 3/4 inch plywood, epoxy and screwed them together, and then set it into a bed of a thickened epoxy. This week we had another incident. It's time to fix that and probably finish this project after 3 years. So one of the sole hatch boards broke. What happened, I was coming down the stairs in socks, slipped on the last one, and then like punched through the last one with my foot. What happened was the little boards that make up the lip to retain the hatch board or whatever you want to call it, lift out panel piece. The screws like literally rusted away. So it just disintegrated. And I went through. But I'm okay. That's the important thing, is I'm okay. Fixing the supports with stainless steel screws, which should last another 50 years, and a little bit of thickened epoxy just to make everything a little better. Because this floor is now like chewed up and beat up and repaired and screwed back together at this point. So we're going to put luxury vinyl plank floors on top of it and glue that down. It's not real wood, but it's going to hold up really well to all the use and abuse we're going to throw at it. So I think it's a good option. I bought this floor from Home Depot, and it's designed to be installed with, there's like a floating floor onto like a normal house, but to keep it from sliding around, I put contact adhesive on both sides. So I've ended up gluing the floor together, and that's worked pretty well. And I've seen this work for a couple other people, so we'll long term see how that works out. That was much harder than I expected was cutting this stuff. So I had like this heavy duty pair of scissors I used to rough cut pieces, and then I would trim it with either a smaller pair of scissors, or you can score it with a utility knife and break it off. Just finished up putting down the vinyl plank flooring onto the boat. It looks really, really good, and I'm super happy with the way it turned out.
How many square feet was it?
How many square feet? It was 19 square feet.
And how long did it take you?
3 days. Well, I had to like start over a little bit. I ended up messing up a few pieces, so I had to go buy 2 boxes. of flooring. So I have like a whole extra box, which is kind of annoying. But it is what it is, and it looks great, but it's done. If you have any questions on the flooring or how we did it, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.